Hey, what's up guys, it's EngageTutorials. Welcome to the unboxing of the Tritton AX Pro. I recently went out and bought this at Best Buy and I'm here to unbox it for you. So if you open up the little Velcro tab, it shows the Tritton itself, the mix amp type thing. Shows some of the features like the detachable mic, the independent game and voice volume controls, the 8 speakers in the ear cuffs. So let's go ahead and get into this and open it up. Once you open it up, you have this package here. Put that to the side and take out the Tritton itself and fail. Everything fell out of it. But here's the Tritton itself, and here's just the overview of everything it has. In this box we have replaceable ear cuffs, covers, and headband. Also comes with the detachable microphone, as you can see there. And in this square box we have, let's see, the cap to the power adapter. You just pretty much put that on the power adapter and twist it. No idea why they did that, but okay. And here's the power adapter itself. As like I said, you just twist that on there. And there's the other end that plugs into the transmitter. There's an extra box that I missed. We're going to go ahead and open that. Inside of this we have the optical cable that plugs into the back of your component cable on your Xbox. The microphone that goes from your Xbox to the volume control thingy. Excuse me. And let's get into the Tritton itself. Here it is. It is a very, very durable headset. It does feel like it's gonna break, and that probably didn't make sense, but durable, I mean like it's tough to move and stuff, but it won't break. On here we have volume control, game chat control, the microphone jack, and the mute switch. On the back it shows the volume controls for the game. And here is the transmitter. You can get that out. Here's a transmitter for the AX Pro. As you can see, on the top we got places for the microphone, and the bottom to plug the headset into to get power. And a quick overview of the headset again. Tritton on the top. And that's really it. Look forward to the Turtle Beach PX5 unboxing later, and I will see you then.